Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute or unmute player in College Football 27. So muting and player is really easy. First, if you want to mute your friends, then from the home page, just press view button on Xbox or touchpad on PlayStation to open this EA Connect menu. From here, just go over the friend you want to mute and then press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to open more actions, and then you should be able to find this mute button. Just select it and then that friend will be muted. To unmute him, again press Y or triangle to open more actions and then unmute him with the same way. In case you want to mute or unmute your online opponent, then for that firstly we need to wait for this select play screen. Then on this screen press options on PlayStation or menu button on Xbox to open this quick menu. From here you should be able to see this mute opponent option. Select it and the opponent will be muted. To unmute him, again press options button on PlayStation or menu button on Xbox and this time select unmute opponent and the opponent will be unmuted. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.